Welcome back to Captain Crypto's Compass. Now the altcoins have taken a beating in the last 2 weeks or so, but one of our favorite coins, SUI, could be forming a double bottom pattern. So in this video I'm going to have a look at the charts and what we can expect.
Hi, I'm Martin. I'm the founder of Captain Crypto's Compass. I'm a trader and a professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. I am passionate about helping you to achieve financial freedom through the art and the gift of trading. I will be providing you with actionable technical analysis and insights on your favorite cryptocurrency projects to help you make better and more informed decisions. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, you're in the right place.
So I've gone ahead and opened up the 1 week chart for SUI on Binance. Now the first thing that I want us to see here and note is that SUI has been on this uptrend. We can see we've created highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and recently we have started creating lower highs compared to the previous pivot top. And now currently we see with this sell-off here, with this liquidation event in crypto about 2 weeks ago, SUI has sold off right to our golden pocket support. Now taking a measured move from the pivot high to low to high, we can see this gave us this golden pocket support zone for SUI between the 0.5 and 618 Fibonacci extensions between roughly about $2.52 and all the way back down to about this $2.20. And we can see that SUI is currently in this zone, in this area here. So I'll be looking to see how SUI reacts in this key Fibonacci retracement zone here. Can it form a double bottom pattern within this zone here? That'll be fantastic. If we do see a double bottom pattern, that would facilitate a push into our extension zones yet again, and this would be a fantastic risk to reward setup. Looking at the pattern, however, one of the weaknesses and warning signs for me is if we do manage to break below and have a candle body close below $2.30, that would actually be our first lower low from ever since the bull run for SUI started, and that would be a massive warning sign. So this is a make or break moment for SUI. Can it hold in this key area zone here, or will we actually create that first lower low in the pattern, suggesting that we will be in an extended downturn for SUI? For now, I'm still optimistic that SUI should find support inside of this Fibonacci golden zone here between roughly 250 all the way back down to this 220, and I'll be looking to see how candles hold inside of this key area. The risk to reward seems positive for me. If we do have a break below $2.20, if we do have a break below $2.20, that would be my first warning sign for SUI, and then we should actually retest the lower end of this range here, the lower pivot at roughly about $1.72. But nonetheless, all of these zones here are high accumulation areas for SUI, and we can expect and see how the bulls react in these accumulation zones.
Hey, hope you're enjoying the content so far. Please remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications.
Looking at the moving averages, we can see that SUI was on a fantastic push higher. We created a higher high pivot. We created our first higher low pivot, holding the moving averages here, and unfortunately the liquidation event that happened about 2 weeks ago has delayed SUI's progress. We can see it dumped all the way, broke the moving averages, broke the anchored VWAP, and is trading right into our golden zone for SUI. So I'll be looking at this area to reaccumulate with tight stop losses below $2.29 to possibly reaccumulate between these lower pivots at roughly 192 all the way back down to about 160. So if we do break this zone, I would rather take a paper cut here and try and re-enter at these lower areas here. But looking at this, it looks like SUI could be in a position to find support on this double bottom pattern. If that happens, we can see that the 21 is currently sitting at roughly $3.30 and the 50 SMA is currently sitting at roughly $3.38, giving us a healthy risk to reward trade here. If we look at this trade to the 21 is about 33% to about 36%, with a potential downside of about 10%. So a 1 to 3 risk to reward setup. If we do break this $2.20, give or take, we should have stop losses in place to protect us to the downside, because the bottom range of this wick is sitting all the way at about 35% down. So we do need to be aware of this risk here, but I'll be looking forward to see how SUI reacts in the coming months or so. Peace and love and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button, hit the sub button, and hit the bell notifications. Also, remember to click the link in the description below to join my mailing list, where I'll be sending you free emails and trading videos, and also market report updates weekly to help you stay ahead of the herd. As always, this community would not be the same without you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Peace and love. See you next time.